Is waiting dash the train. Correct preposition is for. Why we use for? Because the verb wait usually needs the preposition for. We don't just say wait something, instead, we say wait for something. I am waiting for my friend, for example. I am waiting for my friends. They are waiting for the bus. The children are playing blank the garden. Correct preposition is in. Why we use in? Because in is used when someone or something is inside an area. Area may be a garden, a room, a park, or a house. Garden is like a space with boundaries, so children are inside that space. For example, she is in the room. Why we don't use on the garden? Because it means sitting or standing on the top of the garden. Why we don't use at the garden? Because it means near or outside the garden but not inside. So the correct preposition is in. Teacher is standing blank the class. The correct preposition is in front of. Why we use in front of? Because it shows position, like someone or something is before another person or thing are facing them. If we compare with in, if the teacher is inside the room, we should use in the class. If the teacher is facing the students at the front, we should use in front of the class. The ball rolled blank the hill. The correct preposition is down. Why we use down? Because it shows movement from a higher place to a lower place. A hill is high at the top and low at the bottom. When the ball moves from the top to the bottom, we say it rolled on the hill. He will return blank a week. The correct preposition is in. Why we use in? Because in is used after a duration of time. On is used for specific day or date. At is used for specific clock time. He walked slowly blank the road. The correct answer is along. Why we use along? Because it shows movement in the same direction as the length of something like a road or river, etc. If he goes across the road, that means from one side to the other. If he goes along the road, that means in the same direction, not crossing. So the correct answer is along the road. There is a lamp blank the table. The correct preposition is on. Why we use on? We use on when something is touching the surface of another thing. The lamp is resting on the surface of the table. So we say there is a lamp on the table. She is married blank a doctor. The correct preposition is to. Why we use to? Because we always say married to someone not married with or married by. The word to shows the connection or relationship between two people. So we say she is married to a doctor. Thank you for watching. This was the first stage of learning preposition. In my next video, we will move on to a higher stage. See you there. Have a good day.